In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Google account from other devices. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. So first you need to install Google app on your iPhone or on your Android as well, and then get into that app. And once you are on Google app, tap here at your profile icon and there select manage your Google account. Next, here select security and there scroll all the way down until you find your devices. Here you can tap on manage all devices and at that page I got all my devices and all my account sessions. I can watch it and I can sign out of any of my devices just by tapping on that device, and here just by tapping on sign out button. So by that action I will remove my Google account from that specific device. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.